It's Saturday, everyone. We made it to the weekend. Hey, it's Jill with Texas Gardening Gal. We got things to do this weekend. First things first, gotta drink the coffee. That'll help me get motivated. And especially after last weekend, I did absolutely nothing in my backyard besides water. I had all these plans, I was excited, and then I didn't do anything. So I made myself a list. That way I know specifically some of the things that I really need to get and stay on track. But I have a lot of things I need to do in my backyard. I feel like I always have a lot of things to do in my backyard. Do other gardeners feel that way? I'm going to go ahead and get my coffee finished. We're going to get ready because obviously I'm not ready. And then we will go do our Saturday shopping. So give me a minute. All right, I'm ready in the car and I have a list. I'm actually going to go to Lowe's to probably get most of everything on my list, but then I have a favorite nursery, but it's gorgeous, just absolutely gorgeous. So, but what's on my list? 3 terracotta pots of different sizes because I'm going to put those over by the shed. I need more soil. Oh my gosh, I feel like that's never ending. Lava rock. As I have this container, it's like a netty looking, I'll show it to you, for plants, for water plants, that I'm going to put the plants in and then the lava rock over them to kind of hold them down when I put it in the water for my stock tank pond. And flowers, because I want to start filling some of my raised beds containers with some annuals. So let's go. Oh my gosh, you guys, yellow pots. You know how hard it is to find yellow pots? I feel like it's hard. Some more yellow pots. I think I'm gonna get this one. This would be really good to have for my stock tank pond. Lily pads. I'm gonna get this. It's called a purple waffle. All right, I'm really actually happy with what I got. So I thought I was gonna get terracotta pots, but I've been searching for yellow pot forever. And do you know how hard it is to find a yellow pot? Maybe I'm just not like looking in the right place, but I got a yellow pot. And then I have a larger pot that they actually have. So this pot that I bought is actually broke. I thought it was black, but once I got it in my car, it's like a real deep blue. And the very back of it is broke. But I figured I can face that in towards the shed and I can put some weed barrier against it and maybe some cardboard or something, fill it up with dirt, and we're good to go. But my point is broken pots in the back. They're ceramic pots and they go by the pound. So it was like maybe $17. I think it was like 35 pounds. So it ended up being like $17. So I thought, bingo, that's awesome. So I got 2 pots. I still need one other pot yet, which I might just go ahead and get a terracotta pot. But I was overall happy. I got a lot of herbs, some unique things that I can plant in some of my containers. So I'm really excited. I was really happy. It was a great visit to this nursery here. It's actually called Ma's Nursery in Seabrook. It's beautiful. If you all can get it, if you live in the area or around Houston or whatever, it's a beautiful place. So I'm gonna go to Lowe's and get some other things. Let's go. So I just got to Lowe's. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna try not to take a lot of time because we do have more storms and rain coming about 4 o'clock. I can't believe how much rain we have gotten, guys. Yesterday on my rain gauge, we got approximately 2.5 inches of rain, and then The 2 days before that, a combined amount of I believe it was like 3.5, so 6 inches like within 3 days, and now there's more coming. I'm super happy because actually our grass is green versus yellow and dead looking. So we're getting there, and the plants are happy, everything's growing. But yeah, I need to kind of cut this one a little short so I can get home, get some stuff planted, worked on. So let's go. And here's where I bring my list. It's nice because it's cooler out, but it is definitely muggy outside. Definitely get some marigolds. I think I'm gonna get this one here. It's a little more wide and not as tall. So we'll get this one here. They have 2 raspberry bushes on their clearance. What are they priced? So $13.98. So they'd be $7. Is it worth it, guys? Should I get them? Look at, they got the marigolds on sale too. The next thing I like to get, so instead of buying the little, I don't know what you call them, little saucers or whatever you put under pots like that, I like to get these blocks here and have them sit flat on those instead. Way cheaper, $1.78. Okay, next we need some red lava rock. And I'm just gonna get 1 bag. That should be for what I'm needing it for. All right, next up, we need soil. Well, I think we're gonna go back to my go-to. It's $4.48 a bag. Got done with Lowe's, got everything back in the car loaded, and everything on my list I got. So we're gonna go home. It's 1:30. We're gonna work a little bit because, like I said, come 4 o'clock it's gonna start storming. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for shopping with me, and I will do a video here next of me working on everything. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We'll see you later. Bye.